Apa?
Good afternoon, everyone. Let us thank good for the opportunity to gather here today in good health. Honorable lecturer and my dear friend, welcome to today's presentation session. I will be your moderator for this session. My name is Belva Maharani, and today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic at the time. Waste management and environmental awareness in the Siliwangi University campus area. Without further ado, I would like to invite the present to deliver the presentation. The team is yours.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Taskia Zahra Tabani.
My name is Janika Harina.
My name is Safan Kalina.
My name is Wahid, and my name is Okay, gang. I would like to present the first topic, and which is about the current waste management condition at Mesir. Bins are available in almost all areas of the campus, such as faculty, corridors, and gardens. The cafeteria and parking area cleaning staff work regularly every morning and afternoon. However, the main problems remain low awareness of waste sorting and the widespread use of single-use plastic. The daily volume of waste has not been officially published, but it is considered quite large due to the high level of campus activity. Now, I will move on to the waste management system routine waste management. This carried out every day by the cleaning staff. The main activity includes sweeping area, collecting waste from the bins and transporting it to the temporary waste disposal site. This helps maintain the clean lines, but it is still not optimal with the student participation. Sustainable waste management, a long-term approach is needed to reduce waste from the research. Environmental education, weekly workshop in classes and student orientation about the CR. Reduce, reuse, and recycle, along with campaigns such as No Plastic Day in the cafeteria. Campus Waste Bank establish waste bank is in each faculty where students can exchange organic or plastic waste for redeemable points for food or snack. A successful example from Universitas Indonesia reduced waste by 20%. Technology innovation, install IoT sensor on trash bins to monitor flowness in real time through campus app, and use electric composters for organic waste. Cooperation collaborate with the local community and the Department of Environmental to transport system waste to the final disposal site, along with zero waste garden adoption. That concludes my material, and my friend will continue with the next part.
Next.
Jauh banget.
Management system. Number one, routine management. Conducted daily by cleaning staff.
Kenapa?
Activities include sweeping,
Muncul banget deh.
transporting. This process is important to keep the campus clean, comfortable, and free from work. 2. Sustainable management. Focus on long-term solution in waste handling. This includes environmental education waste bags. And the government is also important to create a more effective and environmentally friendly system. Waste management flow. First, waste is generated from daily campus activities. Then it is disposed of in trash bins and collected by cleaning staff. After that, the waste is moved to temporary storage. When it is sorted and processed to waste bags, composting on pyrolysis. The remaining waste is transported to the Jamia landfill.
Okay, everyone. Next, I
Sama di situ di
will
ujung.
explain about suggestion was processing technology. There are two suggestions, composing and maaf. Next, student innovation. Student innovation at Unskilled student play an activity called in waste management innovation. Here is an sample. Sample first one was to work is an AI-based platform that connect waste with artisan to create economic value. And last, public health student also take and waste management master plan for Cigalantang village. And last, student act as agent of change in environmental solutions. Thank you.
The next slide is about community service. In community service, Unsel actively assists surrounding communities in waste management. This assistance is carried out in several areas around the campus, such as Warinsari, Cigalantang, Margabakti, and Natur. The activities include waste sorting education, where communities are taught how to separate waste based on its type. And Unsel also provide fagot and eco-green training to help people process organic waste and reuse plastic waste in useful ways. In addition, Unsel gives assistance in the waste bank program to support the
Makin
waste
ujung, makin ujung, makin ujung, makin ujung.
Unsel also promote economic empowerment through waste utilization. The waste can be turned into valuable products that can increase community income. In collaboration, Unsel collaborates with the Tasikmalaya Environmental Agency in managing waste management at Ciang landfill as the main waste disposal site in Tasikmalaya. To discuss the solid waste related issue, share idea and solution.
Belakang.
From the partnership, Unsel also collaborates with other universities on waste issue by creating a cleaner, healthier, and more environmentally friendly campus environment.
Jangan ujung-ujung bang.
Okay, student environmental awareness. From a student environmental awareness. 1. Turning waste in proper bins. Students should throw waste into the proper bins. This helps keep the campus clean and reduces pollution. 2. Sorting waste by type. Waste should be separated plastic products. This helps reduce environmental pollution. Fourth, participation in campus clean-up activities. Students can start with small action, such as throwing waste in the proper bins. This simple habit helps create a cleaner and healthier campus environment. Five, learning the waste bomb program. Next, challenge in this matter. One, student participation is not yet evenly distributed. Not all students evenly participate in informal program. Some students are still less aware of the importance of keeping the campus clean. Two, waste processing at the sources is not yet optimal. Many students still make different types of waste in on bin. This makes recalling difficult and reduce waste management efficiency. Three, waste processing at the sources is not yet optimal. Waste is often not managed directly where it is produced, such as in classroom and cafeterias. This causes waste to accumulate and become harder to handle. And fourth, waste management is still dominated by the college and discomfort pattern. This all I can say. I will return to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, before we move to question and answer session, here are some documentation from the observation that we have formation. This is dokumentasi. And thank you for the presentation. Now we will move on to question and answer session. From the audience who would like to ask question, please raise your hand. One, two, three. Rahmi. Okay. Is there any role of of campus organization in that waste management?
Kenapa ketawa?
Sorry. Is there any role of campus organization in that waste management? Apakah ada peran organisasi kampus dalam pengelolaan sampah di universitas?
Udah ya?